Alright traders, George here, and some insight for you to day trading gold from the system standpoint using the scalper model here. And this is a purely systemic process, looking for the same signal over and over to get in. Green center line, green arrow, and white candle to get long, or black arrow, black center line, and black candle to get short. 18 tick stop, exit on the fib, or stop and reverse. Okay, and a chance to rejoin a trend if it presents itself from the open. Long, $2.40 winner there, out on the fibs. Okay, next trade short, stopped out, $1.80 loss. Next signal long, green arrow, green center line, white candle, out on the fibs there, $10.50 winner. Huge move up there. Next signal short, stops and reverses to the next long signal, so it prints a little bit less than the standard loss, $1.40 there. Next signal here to get long, fibs out there for a $3.20 gain, not too bad. Chance to rejoin, structure swing taken out there, candles back on top of that big mo, and boom, there it is, $24.10 to the stop and reverse here to get short. That books a $1.60 loss. That's over 4 hours and 40 minutes there. 7 trades. That's $3,540 just trading one contract. Now the thing to take away from this, we don't always have $24 runs on a single move in one day. But when these things happen, traders go haywire trying to figure out what to do. If you're trading a model, you need to know what your rule set is. Whether you're trading the DSR model or the scalper or the Spitfire, whatever you're trading, you better know what you're supposed to follow at any given moment. And you have to have the belief level there so that you follow it no matter what. If you do that, you'll never say coulda, woulda, shoulda. And just to finish off the day, just so you can get a glimpse at what the whole signal process generated for the day, once we go up here, we've got the last 2 hours of the day. That's the worst time to trade for day trading, and there goes the trades. 13 instead of 7, and $340 loss instead of a $3,500 gain. So there was some momentum at the very end there, but typically the last 2 hours of the day has worse performance than the earlier part of the day. Get back to the charts. What are you supposed to follow? What is your rule set? If then. If this happens, then I do this. Do you know what you're supposed to do? Do you have a rule set written out? There's a lot of different ways that you can slice consistent profitability out of the market, whether you're DSR trading, Spitfire trading, scalper trading. This is just an example of one of our base models here, absolutely crushing it in gold today. And in case you saw my gold video from last night on the big picture or status of gold and you're wondering what happened, well, it's pretty easy. We broke to some new relative lows here, and then we popped back up over this balance beam right here. Watch this. And there's the pop, outside return, symmetrical double bottom, trader trend goes green, and then we've got this secondary air pocket to work with here. We actually sliced right through that balance beam. Normally we would take a pause there. We didn't. Starting to fade a bit here. And look where we stopped, right at the floor of this zone here. Okay, so a great move up there by the gold bulls to get over this beam here, really important. Finding resistance here, not an issue at all. Watch for some support to come in before 1340 for the strongest move by the bulls here. If you can get your belief level down, just to follow what you see, this is an absolute possibility every time we get this kind of action. Great day in the market across the board. That'll do it for now. We'll see you back in the live room.